Okay, in this video, we're going to go over how to do a star drawing, like some of the images on my Instagram account. This turtle is a pretty good example. This mandala is an okay example. Um, I'm going to make the assumption that you've watched at least some of the videos or are at least somewhat familiar with how to load images in Stipple. I'm going to get the app open. I'm just going to hit star drawing and we're going to take it from a blank canvas. So first of all, if I'm making a star image, I like to load a star background. It adds a lot to the effect as opposed to just having a black background. Um, and the way to do this is click the background slot under image controls and click on the background thumbnail. Click. All right, I'm gonna go find my star draw or my star background. This is a good one. I'm going to reposition this a little bit. And then I'm going to select draw image and click on the thumbnail. And I think it would only be appropriate if we picked some kind of skull. Okay, so from here, what you're going to want to do, close the image controls, is go to your levels and invert your draw map, your threshold map, by clicking on this button. So you want the white on the right, white on the right. And what this is going to do is draw the lightness of the image as opposed to drawing the darkness of the image. So close that palette. Go to your color. I like to pick a dark or a medium blue. Change the hardness a little bit. You can keep the opacity at full strength, and then click on this drop down and select glow. And next, what you'll want to do is put the density down a little bit, and let's give this a shot. See how it works. All right, I'm gonna hide my source image, and doesn't seem to be working that well. All right, well, if I turn my density up a little bit, you'll see that as we draw, we make sparkly stars in the sky, and they look like the skull image. Um, that's kind of all there is to it. The more you fiddle with it, the better you can get with it. A larger dot size will give you larger stars. Um, you can experiment with changing to different size stars as you go along. Again, I turned the density down originally because I think if you keep the density kind of low, you can paint this on just slowly in layers and kind of get the effect you're looking for. But hell, I think that wraps it up. Thanks for watching.